Hi there, welcome to a new video. My name is Paola from mergedata.com, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to merge tickets in HubSpot. If you have a lot of tickets that you think that they can be just in one, that they follow the same criteria, you're in the right place. So let's start. To create tickets, it's pretty easy. This will take us less than a minute. Go ahead and click on Service and then Tickets. Click the ticket that you would like to merge and then Actions and click on Merge and search the one that you will be like to be merged into, the one that you choose before. And keep in mind that this action can be undone. In case that you want them separate again, then you will have to create one since the beginning. And click on merge. And that's it. Everything will be together in just one ticket. If you go back to tickets, you will be able to see that they're no longer separate, they're all together. And that's it. Just in a minute, you can have your tickets merged, and this will make your life way easier and organized. Now you can merge your ticket following the criteria that you want. I hope this video could be helpful for you and your company. And if you want to know more tips about analytics, automation, or more HubSpot tools, follow for more, subscribe below, and like this video. Thank you for watching.